As a fellow dude in the gaming and esports industry trying to grow and maintain a beard, I think today's Tech Tuesday is going to be a little special because today we review the PT45 Trimmer from Beardscape. Okay, so as I'm sure some of you are aware, this is the first of its kind on this channel. This is definitely the first beard trimmer review that I've ever done here. I wanted to take an opportunity to collaborate with the Beard Club to present something like this because of how many fellow gamer bearded brethrens are out there in the community. On top of it, how many female viewers with boyfriends, husbands, and even family members that are also growing and maintaining their beard. Every day, fellow gamers around this industry are starting their new beard journey. And after some time of growing out a beard, I discovered one of the biggest things that makes a beard special is how you maintain it. The shape and structure that you make unique for you. And I never knew till this year having a solid beard trimmer was a huge factor into how you maintain that shape of your beard. Now, I do want to say, for complete transparency, the Beard Club did send me out this trimmer for a review. I'm gonna be honest, at first, I was like kind of lost on how I would even try to collaborate with the Beard Club with them sending out a trimmer. I thought it'd be just a simple picture social media post and that'd be it. I really didn't know the effect of having a good quality beard trimmer. Previously, I was just using this beard trimmer that I found on Amazon, the Brio Beardscape, just something that came up in my suggestions one day when I decided that I was like really gonna full send growing out my beard for some time and like maintaining it and not getting rid of a beard whatsoever. No shaving for a long time. So I looked up some Amazon reviews and this thing popped up. And at the time I was like, this is more than sufficient. Like where else could I go with the beard trimmer? So again, when the Beard Club sent me out theirs, like, what am I gonna do with this thing? And then I started using it and I understood with anything in life, with any niche or hobby or journey, there's a clear product difference between like average and top of the line. And this thing is top of the line. So what makes the PT45 trimmer so special? The PT45 trimmer comes with a 7,000 RPM motor. It has the ability of 3 hours of runtime with only needing 1 hour of charge time. It comes with this crazy titanium blade, which I didn't know was a difference until I got it. As you see for the Brio, for example, this has like a nylon blade in the front. On top of that, as you see, it's pretty compact, which makes it great for travel. And at first I was like worried that this thing would just like potentially come on during travel and run out of battery. But this actually comes with a travel safe lock. So no more traveling with your trimmer and it coming on in your suitcase. And you need to get nice and cleaned up for that business dinner. Next thing you know, you don't have a trimmer. So you gotta go in scruffy. And to top it off, it comes with 45 unique trim links with 8 color-coded trimmer guides. This has made the ability for somebody like myself who doesn't have too much time to like learn that much about maintaining and grooming my own beard. It gives me those options to safely clean everything and stop doing the whole nicking thing where I have to hit the reset button. It was like with previous trimmers, there was such a gap between like adjusting different trimmer sizes that I would often find myself chopping away at my beard on accident. I am somebody that does that, and I know a lot of guys are out there too. So I am happy that they went above and beyond with the different variations of abilities for sizes when it comes to trimming. Now, some things that really stand out to me with the Beard Club PT45 trimmer in comparison to some of the other trimmers I've used in the past. First and foremost, the brand awareness. And I know this doesn't have much to do with, I guess, the production of the device in itself. But to me, for somebody who's reviewed a lot of products out there, the brand like presentation, the whole like unboxing experience, how they present their product kind of stands out to me. As to where other devices, it just kind of like comes in a box and it's just like, hey, here's the thing, really easy in a plastic case, like you open it up. Unboxing the PT45 was like unboxing a MacBook or something. It was like a whole different experience in itself. And again, like I know that doesn't really like, it doesn't affect how it runs, but I feel like a company knows like their product is that good when they're going above and beyond with the packaging, the presentation, as well, the whole user experience. Like buying this expensive product, because at the end of the day, it's like hard to justify paying so much for trimmers, but then standing out and saying like, hey, we want our customers to feel that satisfaction all the way from like the purchase to unboxing to the use of the product. So that really stands out to me, and I just wanted to have that noted. And while I just touched base on price, I was actually kind of shocked at what I still did get for the price of this thing. The PT45 runs anywhere from $65 to $80 depending on if there's promotions going on at the time or any sales. And that just really stood out to me because this thing is clearly a better quality of a product for the price on top of that. So not only is the Beard Club presenting an all-around good quality product, going out of their way for it, but it's done at a reasonable price, and I respect that. Another thing I really noticed, aside from the presentation and the price, is you can just feel the production value in the Beard Club PT45 trimmer compared to like competitors. With PT45 trimmer, you have this just like sleek, heavy duty case. Your basic trimmer guides are built into the foundation of the trimmer, including your little power light LED as well. And then compared to like the Brio is slick, but it's just kind of very hard to push. Maybe I am not trying to fake this. Oh, hard to push buttons to adjust its trimmer length, and just the material and structure of this is just cheaper and feels to the PT45 trimmer. I don't want to be completely biased, want to be honest. One thing that I did like about both the PT45 and the Brio in comparison to some of the other trimmers I've had in the past, and I think this is something that really stands out with the titanium blades though of the PT45. The trimmer itself is thick enough to work with hair as well. I did pick up a little experience of cutting hair and cutting my own hair. So in between like a couple weeks, if I'm like in a pinch, I will just kind of trim up my own hair with this. I don't know if any gents out there can relate on trying to trim hair with like a cheap, skinny beard trimmer. Dude, it's a nightmare. So where the PT45 really stands out in that aspect over the Brio, although they are like the same size and they cover a little bit more landscape over like basic cheap trimmers, is the PT45 beard trimmers can really hold up in some like tougher situations. From calyx knots, thick hair, like this thing really flows through. As to where with the Brio, I'd find myself kind of getting nicked from times, and like a lot of times when I used cheap trimmers, like especially with cheap trimmers when I would be cleaning up the neck, because that's where I hold, like I have a neck beard big time. So when I'd be getting down here on like the skin on a lot of that thick hair, I'd get a lot of like pulling, catch a hair and hurt like a mofo. With the size and titanium blades of the PT45, I don't have that issue. And then as an added bonus to this thing, you get this awesome charging station that comes with an LED ring light around the base. So while you have this thing plugged in, you actually get this nice little like night light that I've used in the bathroom to not stub my toe with getting up in the middle of the night. So in summary, gentlemen, ladies, trying to get something for your significant other or friend or family member in your life that's on their beard journey. If you guys are looking for a durable, high quality, high end, yet affordable beard trimmer to easily maintain your beard, make it as convenient as possible, I can't suggest the PT45 trimmer enough. As mentioned, this was a collaborative video between myself and the Beard Club, so make sure you guys are using my link in the description or using code BIGGIE at checkout. If you guys are embarking on your bearded journey and use any of the Beard Club products through my link or code, be sure to tag me on Twitter and Instagram when your products come in. I want to see the journey, gentlemen. If you guys found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form, be sure to leave a like, comment down below how long you've been growing out your beard, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm out. Peace. Deuces.